Ever wondered how Beforepay gets you your cash now instead of waiting for payday? Like, seriously, how does the magic happen? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving deep into the financial engine that powers Beforepay. Now, you might be thinking, does Beforepay even use a bank? And the answer is, drumroll please. Yes. But it's not just any bank. Beforepay leverages a sophisticated network of banking partners to make those instant cash advances a reality. Think of it this way, Beforepay acts as a bridge between you and your paycheck. They partner with your employer to understand your earning schedule. Then, they work with their banking partners to provide you with a safe and secure way to access a portion of your earned wages in advance. But here's the thing, Beforepay doesn't just rely on a single bank. They have a diverse network of partners, which allows them to offer flexibility and ensure smooth transactions for users like you. This diversified approach helps to minimize potential disruptions and ensures that you can access your funds when you need them most. Now, you might be curious about the specific banks involved. Unfortunately, Beforepay doesn't always publicly disclose the names of all their banking partners. This is often due to confidentiality agreements and the dynamic nature of these partnerships. However, you can be assured that all their banking partners are reputable and adhere to strict regulatory standards. So, while you might not know the exact name of the bank behind your Beforepay advance, you can trust that it's a secure and reliable institution. Beforepay prioritizes your financial security and works with trusted partners to ensure a safe and seamless experience for every user. But it's not just about the banks. Beforepay also utilizes cutting-edge technology to facilitate these instant transfers. Think of it as a high-tech financial relay race. Your employer provides your earning information, Beforepay processes it, and their banking partners swiftly deliver the funds to your account. This technology-driven approach allows for incredibly fast transaction times. In many cases, you can receive your advance within minutes of approval. This speed and convenience are what make Beforepay such a valuable tool for managing your cash flow and covering unexpected expenses. Of course, Beforepay isn't just about convenience. It's also about responsible financial practices. They offer flexible repayment options and provide users with valuable financial education resources. This holistic approach empowers you to make informed decisions about your finances and build a stronger financial future. So, while you might not know the exact bank behind your Beforepay advance, you can rest assured that it's a secure and reliable system powered by a network of trusted partners and cutting-edge technology. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.